How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Cherokee 27GH. Starting off on the exterior, you can see that we have a little bit of storage out here. You have dual entrance on the campsite as well as a pretty good size awning. In between those two entrances, you're going to find your outdoor kitchen. So within your outdoor kitchen, you're going to find a fridge to keep your drinks cold. You have an ice maker, which is really nice, as well as a pull-out griddle. You also have a really nice sound system out here as well. But if we take a step on the inside, we're going to start with our kitchen area first. So right next to your entry door, you're going to find your 3-burner cooktop. You have your microwave right down below it. Nice big window up front, as well as your single basin sink. And then one slide out on this travel trailer altogether. Within the slide out of this specific travel trailer, you're going to find your U-shaped dinette and your couch. They both turn into beds if you do have some late night stragglers. And then across from all of that, you're going to find your oversized 12-volt refrigerator and your entertainment center. The cool thing about this entertainment center is that you do have some extra storage behind it. You also have your fireplace down below. And if we make our way towards the back, you're going to find your bathroom. So you have your toilet down below. You have a second entrance into the bedroom, medicine cabinet, sink, shower. It's going to be radius shower with your skylight above. Now, like I said, you can get to your bedroom that way, or we can go through the main entrance and reveal your king-size bed with storage surrounding. You have a window on the right-hand side, and then your dual entrance, like we saw on the outside, is going to be on the left. Of course, you do have that TV backer straight across from that main bed. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Cherokee 27GH. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Your U-shaped dinette and your couch. They both turn into beds if you do have some late night stragglers. And then across from all of that, you're going to find your oversized 12-volt refrigerator.